Safe truck, collision avoidance and pedestrian detection. Target, 0 accidents. Scenario 1, forklift pedestrian. Safe truck is a warning system that alerts forklift operators when they detect pedestrians inside the defined safety zone. In the meantime, the pedestrian will also feel a vibration from his personal sensor, so he will know that he is in danger in the exclusion area of a forklift truck. Second scenario, forklift. The safe truck system is also effective to avoid collisions between different forklifts operating at the same place. Third scenario, traffic light and zone blocking function. Safe truck can also activate fixed elements, such as traffic lights, barriers, etc., and increase safety in specific areas. In the same way, safe truck can be used to delimit areas where, for example, forklifts should not pass. Advantages of safe truck.